Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of black screen on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve your problem on black screen on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to Snapchat and you click here in this page. Then we'll enter to first stop and you click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for